Okay, can you do the Obi-Ani with mace? Of course you can, so let's go through it on how to go there. Right, so for the Obi-Ani, we're going to start off square stance. You want a downward thumb grip, so that's thumb pointing towards the tail of the mace, and your hand fairly close to the mace head. First thing you're going to do is perform a mill, so that is going to punch up, let the mace tail come down behind you. So punch up, and the mace tail goes down. Pull your elbow down, so now the mace tail is up, and let it drop. As the mace drops, use your core, pull your body around, so twist the body. What will happen is, as you can see now, the mace begins to change direction. Then as we change round, flick the mace up, and then we're back into our start position. So mill, drop, twist, flick. Mill, drop, twist, flick, mill, drop, twist, flick, mill, drop, twist, flick, and you can slowly speed that up. Now I do suggest doing this with the tail. It is possible to do it with the mace head up, but it gets a bit harder and you have to slow it down and it's a bit more intense on the wrist.